Hey there, lovely ladies. Welcome to a journey of self-empowerment and confidence. Today, I'm sharing some quick confidence hacks that every woman needs. These tips are designed to give you an instant boost and help you feel your best. Ready to feel unstoppable? Let's dive right in. First up, power poses. These are simple yet effective ways to change your body language and, in turn, your mindset. Stand tall, shoulders back, and hands on your hips. This posture not only makes you look confident, but also makes you feel more powerful. This Wonder Woman stance sends a message to your brain saying, "I've got this." It's a quick and easy way to boost your confidence before any challenging situation. Try it before a big meeting or event and feel the instant boost. You'll be amazed at how much more self-assured you feel. Next, let's talk about positive affirmations. These are powerful statements that can help rewire your brain for success and confidence. Write down a few empowering statements like, "I'm strong," or "I am capable." These words have the power to change your self-perception. Repeat them every morning while looking in the mirror. This practice helps reinforce positive beliefs about yourself. It might feel odd at first, but trust me, the more you say it, the more you'll believe it. Over time, these affirmations will become a natural part of your thought process. Now, here's a fun one. Wear your favorite outfit. Clothes have a significant impact on how we feel about ourselves. It's amazing how much a killer dress or a pair of stunning heels can elevate your mood. When you dress in something that makes you feel good, it shows in your confidence. When you look good, you feel good. So dress up, even if it's just for yourself. Moving on, practice gratitude. This simple habit can transform your outlook on life. Grab a journal and jot down 3 things you're grateful for every day. This practice shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. Shifting your focus to the positive helps boost your overall confidence and well-being. It's a reminder of all the good things in your life. Another hack step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens when you challenge yourself. Try something new, like a dance class or a public speaking workshop. These experiences can be intimidating at first, but they are incredibly rewarding. Challenging yourself shows you just how capable you are. Each new experience builds your confidence and expands your comfort zone. Plus, the sense of accomplishment is a fantastic confidence booster. Don't forget about self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential for maintaining confidence. Take time for activities that nourish your mind and body. Self-care isn't just about pampering, it's about recharging your energy and spirit. Whether it's a bubble bath, reading a book, or meditating, looking after yourself is crucial for building confidence. These moments of self-care remind you that you are worth the effort. Lastly, surround yourself with positivity. The people you spend time with have a significant impact on your confidence. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Their positive energy will help you feel more confident and supported. Their energy will rub off on you, making you feel more confident and supported. Positive relationships are a key component of a confident life. So there you have it. Quick confidence hacks that are simple to implement and deliver instant results. These tips are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, confidence is like a muscle. The more you work on it, the stronger it gets. You've got this. Keep practicing these hacks and watch your confidence soar. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more empowering content. Thanks for watching. Stay confident, stay fabulous, and keep shining bright. Remember, you are amazing just the way you are. Keep believing in yourself and embrace your inner strength. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.